Hi, this is Muhammad Ramadan from Ninja Sec team. This video we will talk about load balancer and how we can detect load balancer on targets we want to test. You can read about load balancing here at wikipedia.org. You can find it persistence and load balancer features here and here and here and many others useful information about load balancing. We will use dig as a command line DNS lookup utility to find load balancers. With this utility, you want to look for multiple IPs resolving to one domain name. Let's look at a few examples. We will try this. Dig google.com. You find many IPs here. So Google is using load balancer. Let's try dig yahoo.com. You can find here many IPs for one host name. So yahoo.com will resolve to this one and this one and this one. 3. Okay. Let's try Bank of America. Bankofamerica.com. Can find 3 IPs. Okay, you can also try Microsoft.com. Find resolves to IPs here and here. Okay. We can also use netcraft.com. It can be used to identify what a site is running, to use the site and identify load balancer. Simply search for a site, then look for something like F5 big IP. Let's try this. Firefox. Go to netcraft.com and we will search for google.com. to enter, can find here many information about Google and operating system they use. Let's try this one. You can see here name server and DNS admin and reverse DNS here and here. Let's try Microsoft.com. Can see that Microsoft using Microsoft IIS version 7 and Microsoft Windows Server 2003. Okay, can look at yahoo.com. Can see Yahoo using YTS server here, and you can find other informations here and here. We can also try another tool called lbd.sh. It's a shell script for load balancer detection. Simply checks a given domain for load balancing. Let's try this on Google and Microsoft. lbd.sh. Sorry, we'll find it here. Or we can type locate lbd.sh. Sorry, lbd.sh, and you can find it in /pentest here. Let's copy this and cd ls. You can find it in this path lbd.sh. Sorry, sh. We can type google.com enter. Checking for DNS load balancing, they found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 IPs that Google resolves it to it. And now checks for HTTP load balancing. Found Google Web Server GWS, but not found. So we see that there's DNS load balancing here. Another technique for detection of HTTP load balancing, we are using date technique. It will take some time to finish. Not found by using time technique or date. They will use diff method or different method. Not found, so use so google.com does load balancing found via DNS method. Let's try ninjasec.com and see if have. Okay, we have DNS load balancing servers to 2 IPs. I will now check for HTTP load balancing using server. It will take some time to finish. Not found. And using date, there's error. And if we found something here using diff. So we are using a load balancing via method DNS and HTTP diff method. Let's try Microsoft.com. We are using DNS load balancing here. Okay, let's take a look at Halbert. Halbert is a script that will identify web servers behind HTTP load balancers. We can try Halbert-v Microsoft.com or any domain we want. Halbert, locate Halbert. Can find this tool in I think we can use this boss here. Okay, you can download this tool from internet. Let's find its location. Halbert load balancer here. Load balancer doctor. And you can download using this site. Start download. Extract to desktop. Copy to backtrack. Let's go to this GitHub and then go to Halbert. We will start set up by typing Python set up install. Okay, we will go to here, Halbert. Okay, now Halberd is successfully installed. We can try Halberd ninja-sick.com and we will see what we will get. Okay, finished connection refused. As you can see here, we are using load balancer on ninja-sick. Let's try google.com. It will take some time. Okay, as you can see, we have used two tools, one called dig to find all IPs that a domain name refers to, so it indicates it's using a load balancer, and we used load balancer detection, LBD, and Halbert tool. Let's take a look at testing for a web application firewall. WAF is a Python script that determines if a host is behind a web application firewall or not, and if visible, identifies it. Let's locate this tool in backtrack. Locate WAF. Let's see what is WAF. Sorry, only one A. WAF. Here is location of this tool, cd, and type this. Let's try to this option list-l. It will test for these web application firewalls: Pro, Fence, Net, Continuum, Barracuda, and many others. Let's try help option. Sorry, we can make it verbose. We can find all and disable redirect. Let's try this one, http www.ninja-sick.com -a to test for all WAFs and -v to be verbose. Now testing for many web application firewalls. Okay, found that returned a different response when string triggered blacklist. Can see here that we are using a web application firewall. Let's try another technique here. We will remove this www dot. Can see it seems to be behind a WAF, but he can't identify what is a WAF or behind to. Here same result, but don't know what is the name of WAF. Let's try another site called microsoft.com. No WAF detected. Let's type this www dot and see what will happen. Okay, as you can see, this site is using or behind a WAF web application firewall, and they are using Citrix NetScaler web application firewall, and also they are using URL scan here, as you can see, Microsoft HTTP API, and they are using a web server called IIS 7.5